Konnichiwa.
Our favorite alley.
Yeah. My favorite walk. This one.
Under the seat or in the stowage bins above you. If you are seated next to an emergency exit, read carefully the passenger briefing card located by your seat. If you do not wish to perform the functions described in case of emergency, please ask the cabin crew to reseat you.
I'll update you guys later.
Sa mga panauhing nakaupo
when
sa
we
exit
land in
rows,
Japan.
basahin
It's gonna be a
po
4
lamang ang
hours
passenger briefing card.
flight.
Kung sa inyong palagay ay hindi nyo magagampanan,
We're on our way to Kyoto. We survived the ticket. Hi guys! Oh my god, we're in Kyoto, Japan. And there's Momsky Bear. We are now checked in our hotel. This is in Sotetsu Fresa in Kiyomizu Gojo in Kyoto. So, I'll make a very quick room tour. We just came in. It's around almost 10 in the evening. So, very quick lang. So, this is when you... From the door, there's already a full-size mirror for your OOTDs. And then, from the door, there is the toilet and bath. So, we have bathtub here. Toilet, of course. The Japanese toilet is here. Oh my god! Hello! And there's towels. There is a mirror, sink. And then here's they have amenities already. It's very clean. I highly recommend this. And the staff are very, very nice. They have amenities like slippers here. And then they have hangers for your clothes. And then we have a working table here. Yan.
Ah, maganda yung bed nila.
Hi, Momsky.
Kasi pwede mo ito ibaba.
Oh yeah, there's a space. O, diba? We just found out. So, kung hindi mo naman bubuksan lagi yung luggage mo, space saver siya. Kasi palit ka siya siyang. Hindi, siguro yung maliit lang na natin na luggage mo. So, dalawa yung luggage namin yan. Tapos, ito yung bed. This is their comfort double room. We just booked the double room, pero they upgraded us to comfort double room, which is very nice. And then, I think this is a window. Yeah, there's a window. I don't know what's the view outside. But anyways, there's a window there. Yeah, pretty much it. Well, hotels in Japan are really small.
There's also our lap.
There's also a mini fridge. Yan. Tas yung mga switch and all, nasa bedside lang. So, very accessible. And then, there's the mini fridge. Then, cups and electric kettle. Their TV. Makikita mo kung may gumagamit ng mga laundry machine. O, tinan mo. So, yung number 3, ginagamit, vacant yung dalawa. So, pwede nyong gamitin para hindi nasayang yung punta nyo para to check. O, diba? Yun nga lang, di ko na alam kung paano i-back dahil Japanese tong remote. Uy, ang bilis mo maglakad. Guys, ito yung lobby ng ating hotel. It's so nice. I'm gonna show you outside kung ano itsura niya. Oh my god. It's giving ref. Wait lang. So, ito yung labas niya. Yan. Diba? Yan. So, Tetsu Fresa is. Then, ito. So, we're gonna walk there there, kain kami sa McDonald's. And we're gonna buy 7-Eleven or any convenience store actually after. So kalbo na yung puno dito, guys. Alam ko, hindi siya aesthetic yung aking outfit. It's giving, it's giving my kaso.
Giving saldi ko.
It's giving saldi ko na nasa Japan. Pero sobrang lamig, grabe. Tsaka na ako mag-aura. So,
Para ka na James. Para ka atang James.
tapos yung kay Jerome, oh, para siyang atin nandiyan. Grabe, talagang, wait lang. Tingnan ko kung kita sa camera.
Pansuot ko Oh, meron.
Kita ba?
Oo.
Hindi naman ata kita.
Ang liwanag.
Guys, yun ito mag-order dito. Gusto ko yung may miso soup. Beef and onion, beef fried.
Salubong na
Sino yun?
Hindi.
Ma, nasan ka? Nasa Yoshinoya kami. Nasa Yoshinoya kami. Hulaan mo kung saan. We're in Japan! Nasa vlog ka na naman. Kain muna kami. Mag-usap tayo mamaya. Gusto lang namin ikaw i-surprise. Nakapunta na ng Japan yung anak mo. Hindi ka naririnig. Ano ulitin mo? Ulitin mo. Grabe yung tawa niya eh. Sige na, tatawag ulit lang eh. Kakain ako, gutom na ako. Alas 10 na dito. So, it's 6 a.m. and it looks like 2 a.m. here. Yeah. Hi. Oh my god. Oh my god. So lamig. I'm not sure how much degrees. Pero parang
Kita sa video.
oo. Mga ano na. Mga 1 or 2. Grabe. So we're on our way to ang ingay. Sabihin ko pa lang kung saan. Ang ingay ng mga sasakyan. Arashiyama Bamboo Forest. So we're trying to catch as a tourist. You don't want to do with other tourists, diba? So, una namin sila. Okay, so guys, bawal dito mag-go kapag stop.
Right now.
But right now, we're Filipinos. So we're trying to catch yung bamboo forest without the crowd. That's why wake up early. Isang masasuggest ko na naging struggle ko today. Dapat the night before o yung unang night niya, try niyo na lahat kung paano gamitin yung mga appliances nila, mga ganyan. Kasi kinain talaga ako ni Katang. Kakaloka. Anyways, we'll update you when we're there. Bye!
Station number E07. Please exit on the left.
Oh my God, ang aesthetic. Picture tayo. Wait lang. Wait lang. Anong tsura ko? Nawala na yung lipstick ko, pero okay lang. Eh, pwede naman pala natin. Para nakikita natin yung sarili natin. Yan. Okay na yan.
Check mo nga dyan. Masyadong malayo ata ako.
Mag 1, 2, 3 tayo. Ay, mas malaki. Sobrang layo nun.
Ayan, sa akin.
Ayan, mas... Ay, medyo isang step lang backward. Yan. Picture mo na ako sa cellphone. Hmm? Close up. Sa phone mo para maganda.
Ha?
Sa phone mo.
Ito nga may...
Tapos ito i-play lang natin.
Excuse me.
Marami.
Low brightness. Nakatalikod. Dito. Talikod. Tingin ka sa ano? Sa left. Sa front. Yan. Aww. Lucky. Say yes. Yeah?
No.
Kasi nagpaalam na. Kasi lalo pa lang.
Ba't na sila ulo?
Tawagan natin si Mama. Ano ka online? Jocelyn na lang.
Tayo. Ito sa amin.
Ba't na kayo?
Ako?
So,
Lamig mo ako ko. Dito ko sa'yo ko.
ha? Oo. Ang ganda, wala akong nabilang 13 month ko. Oh, this is for you.
Ano to?
Sa'yo na yun. Binapagan namin nanay niya.
Galing ah. Sobrang ano lang ni Tito. Galing ah. Mami! Alam mo ha? Alam mo? Wala akong nails. Pangit ng kuko ko. Mami! Mami, ang ganda dito. Tingnan mo.
Ang ganda daw doon. Nasa Osaka nga sila.
Si Ninang nasan?
Tulog pa. May sakit si Jana tsaka si Ninang eh.
Tawagan namin si Lola. Oh, Mami.
Okay. Meron tayo. Ha?
Bye-bye. Love you.
Love you. Ingat,
Wait, pakita ka sa
ingat, ha?
vlog
Pag hindi
namin.
kaya ang lamig, anak mo. Huwag pipilitan pag hindi kaya ang lamig, ha?
Mami, mag-congrats ka sa vlog namin. Congrats. Mag-congrats ka. Ayun yung camera.
Asan?
Ito, nandito. Basta na
Congrats!
Bye-bye. Mommy. Mommy.
Alam ko. Alam ko.
Mommy, hindi ako nakakuha ng katulad ni Daddy.
Lasky. Wala ka lang makeup.
Thank God. Thank God. Always thank God. Bye-bye. O, ingat. Anak, pag hindi kaya ang lamig, ha?
Oo
Baka ang
nga.
maga ang apektuhan.
Paulit-ulit
May
ka
baong
sa
kayo, Jessie?
Huh?
May baong kayong may Jessie?
Marami.
Okay.
Bye-bye.
Pakainis ka?
You want a group photo? Hello. Excuse me. You want a group photo?
Oh, sure. Salamat.
Ay, okay. Salam. Kabayan po pala. Ah.
Gusto nyo kayo rin?
Sige po, please. We just got...
Oh, congratulations! Engaged?
Yes! Yeah!
Wow naman!
Thank you.
Doon sa harap dito.
Doon po eh.
Ayun, nandun.
Oh.
Kaya pala.
Thank you po.
Picture mo.
Ay, oo nga pala. It's so nice. Uy. Ayan, papunta po kami sa... Ay, ang cute! Hi. Can I take video? Can I take video of them? Can I take video? Okay. Oh, sorry. Sorry, sorry. Arigato! Ang cute. Wow! Ang cute! Wala. Grace, when life gives you lemons, when gives you orange, make an orange juice. Oh my God! Ang ganda! Picture mo, Mom. Send mo sa akin.
Ganda naman. Ganito lang.
Now, we're on our way sa Arabica. Dito sa Kyoto, malapit sa Arashiyama. We're gonna get some coffee.
Big bro.
Guys, may Big Bro dito.
Logo ng Big Bro.
Aray ko! Logo ng Big Bro. Guys, can you see that? It's the Katsura River. And there's the famous Arabica. There. Yeah. Oh my God. Ano, hindi pa ata sila open. Ano oras sila mag-open? Ano? Paano yung reaction? Girl! Sa Arashiyama. Bamboo Park. Girl! Ayan si Jerome. Masa ka na, girl? Huwag mo muna ipopost, ha? Baka makauna ka pa. Bye. Okay, taste test.
It's nice. Up. What do they have?
Sarap.
Ano?
Cheers!
Cheers to the one that we got.
Cheers! Tapos tingnan niya na rin yung, yun o. Hi guys, so we saw this waffle shop. It says this, so we're gonna try it. This is their menu. This is in Arashiyama, so let's try. Mommy, go on. Thank you. It's so fun. Hi.
For here to go.
For here.
Or here, okay. You can pay with only credit card, that's okay.
Yes, it's okay.
Yeah, so please take your seat first and please order from your phone.
Hi, Mom. Huwag na, ang dami palang tao. Hello.
Hello.
So, ano nang tawag ko sa'yo, Ma'am?
Hello.
Ano nang tawag ko sa'yo? Boyfriend? Ano?
Fiancé.
All my life. Ano ba yung kantang yun? Look at that, guys. It's so sparkly. Just like me. Hi, my love.